I have a Samsung Galaxy A11 here, and you have an issue where your screen is frozen or unresponsive, or you're not able to swipe. I'm going to show you how to get you up and running right now, okay? But take note that my phone is working fine, but let's just pretend I'm frozen on the screen, okay? So what you want to do is you want to force it to restart. How you do that is very simple. It's a two-key combination. It's you want to press and hold volume down and power button. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. Do not let go until you see the Samsung logo appear. Then you can go ahead and let go. We'll do it together. Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Let's continue to keep holding here. Keep holding on those both buttons. I'm waiting for a Samsung logo to appear. Still holding. Just felt it vibrate. Still holding. Just vibrated again, and I'm still holding. Waiting for that logo. There it is, Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go and let this boot up, and you should be up and running. However, if the phone boots back up and then you're still like unresponsive or it gets stuck on the Samsung logo here, anything like that, do the force restart again. Remember, volume down, power button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until the Samsung logo appears. Then you can go ahead and let go. Hope that helps you guys out. Good luck.